Number 1. Hoan Ancient Town. Located on the banks of the poetic Thu Bon River, in central Quang Nam Province, 30 kilometers south of Da Nang, Hoan Ancient Town is an Eastern Oriental classic captivation. With the strategic location on the banks of the Great River, with one seaside border, it used to be one of the major trading centers in Southeast Asia during the 16th century due to the early Western trader occupying period. Hoan is a city on Vietnam's central coast known for its well-preserved ancient town that cut through with canals. The former port city's melting pot history is reflected in its architecture, a mix of eras and styles from wooden Chinese shop houses and temples to colorful French colonial buildings, ornate Vietnamese tube houses and the iconic Japanese covered bridge with its pagoda. Its buildings and its street plan reflect the influences, both indigenous and foreign, that have combined to produce this unique heritage site. And it's worth for a half-day trip there. It's probably the best of central Vietnam, and utmost effort has been put in to make the experience touristy-friendly. Number 2. Lake of the Restored Sword, simply well known as Kiem Lake. Kiem Lake is a dynamic daily tableau, from morning walks amid locals doing exercises on the shore, to young couples water gazing on park benches, to the multiple shopping and sightseeing opportunities in the vicinity. Being centrally located in the city, Kiem Lake serves as a massive home base and provides endless people watching and recreational opportunities on the edge of the old quarter. The lake is a favorite destination of tourists as well because of the harmony among nature, architecture, and people. Visiting Kiem Lake at any time of year, tourists can experience the peaceful beauty in the vibrant and crowded city of Vietnam. Number 3. Halong Bay. Halong Bay, in northeast Vietnam, is known for its emerald waters and thousands of towering limestone islands topped by rainforests. Junk boat tours and sea kayak expeditions take visitors past islands named for their shapes, including Stone Dog and Teapot Islets. The region is popular for scuba diving, rock climbing and hiking, particularly in mountainous Cat Ba National Park. However, some things are popular for a reason, and Halong Bay is definitely one of them. No one can deny the unique beauty of the bay, and depending on which cruise you choose, it is possible to have a relaxing and memorable experience that isn't ruined by a bucket load of tourists. Halong Bay is known as a UNESCO World Heritage Site is famous because its stunning limestone mountains raising up from emerald waters that formed from 1,000 years ago. You also can have a chance to explore amazing caves as well as the culture of Halong. Number 4. President Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum. President Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum is a mausoleum which serves as the resting place of Vietnamese revolutionary leader and president in Hanoi, Vietnam. Every year many thousands of respectful citizens and tourists visit the final resting place of the country's most notable historic figure. The Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum is one of the most visited attractions in Hanoi and well worth a visit. Before you plan your trip, here's everything you need to know about the Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum. That it's free to enter, but prepare yourself for long lines. Number 5. Hue Imperial City, simply well known as the Citadel. In the poetic city of Hue, Vietnam, there is a massive ancient complex featuring hundreds of palaces and monuments that is listed as a UNESCO Cultural Heritage Site. If you are planning a visit to Hue, do not miss out on the chance to explore the impressive architecture of Hue Citadel, and the long-lasting history it has witnessed through the eyes of an insider. If you're traveling from Da Nang City or Hoi An Old Town, it is super easy to make a day trip to Hue that covers many must-see destinations in this former capital of Vietnam. Or you can even catch a low-cost shuttle bus or ride a motorbike to Hue, which take you only 2-3 hours if you want to explore this charming city at your own pace. Please like and subscribe for the next video. Thanks for watching.